1,000. No, how much now?
Hello?
Customer, I don't finish.
Okay, I hope I'm not going to with curry. You remember you go. You listen, people.
I want also send my sister too.
Eh?
I want also send my sister with their brush. They like all this market.
I think we're done.
Eco farm. Bottle water. Careful. Thank you. I'm done from the market and I just quickly went to pick up Kaima's uniform. Kaima is starting school. I just branched at Kaito school. I went to go and pick up Kaima's uniform. Let me see if I can show you guys. I'm driving. Let me see if I can show you guys. As I finish from the market, I just say, you know what? Before I get back home now and go face everything I need to face, I went to pick up Kaima's uniform. You guys, I have been gingering to put Kaima in school, but as time has started approaching, the thing, it don't dey weak me. Hey, it don't dey weak me, oh, hey. My husband, you know, we had paid and everything, and they said they'll get her measurements and everything. So they took her measurements and all. They just called that the uniform was ready. So as I was passing by this Saturday, I just say, you know what? Since the school is open, let me just go and take Kaima's measurements. Let me just go and take Kaima's uniform. You guys anticipate all the vlogs of Kaima going to school. I anticipate that Kaima is going to be the class prefect. That one talks too much. That one does not stay one place. But anyways, guys, let me just go home and cook for the children.
A few moments later.
Don't leave my data share. That's they feel like celebrating.
Next. See your next now.
Baba, the one in Chevron. Thank you very much. I'll text him if when I put to approve my request, the airline is saying
I can hear you.
The next day.
No, this is about Okay guys, excuse my sweaty face. Well done. You guys, excuse my sweaty face. I have an event for today. As you guys can see, I have an event for today. So we're just trying to set up, and then I did not just do set up, I also did the planning of the event, and also it's today. And I'm so stressed out. I'm so tired, honestly. But happy new month, guys. Happy new month. How are you guys? How are you guys doing? And I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. If I don't come back to end this video, just know that, you know, I'm saying happy new month to you guys, and I hope you guys are fine, and I hope you guys can see the decoration that is going on. The space is not enough for my client's house, so the bubble bounce and the bouncing castle is going to be in her neighbor's house. As you can see, I'll try and do, like, you know, proper video of how the setup came out before I end this vlog. But I hope you guys enjoy watching.
Thank you. It's been long I done this. I'm on the table, finish.
Like the one I want. Guys, I am back home from work. My colleague was like, let's go and check out what they call it, our lunch break. We're like, let's go and check out one beauty store that opened. That was where I went to go and buy time and rest now.
Don't do that.
Don't do what? This one is just a talker. This small one is such a talker. Come on, guys. Okay. What are you not doing here now?
I'm doing it.
What are you doing here?
I'm doing it.
Oh, I can bring your party pack. Let me show them.
Party pack.
You guys, my children will not say that they're not enjoying their childhood. Because
Angel.
oh yeah, look at it, bring it. Because whether what they call it, they know the people or they don't know the people, as long as their mother is planning and styling and decorating an event, I make sure that, you know. Okay, they're okay, look at it. Look at Kaima's own. This one says girl. This party pack is loaded. Let me show you.
Mommy,
See. People cannot open it, and it's not for you, madam. See, toothbrush, plate and cup. So beautiful, plate and cup. Mama, wait. Look at goggles. Woo! Goggles. Look at another toothbrush. No, this one.
Yay, mommy.
Camera, that's why. Oh, yeah, come and take your own. See, play. Kaito, don't open it yet. See Kaito's own. This Kaito's own, boy. Kaito, keep it in there. Don't open it. It's loaded though.
Yay!
See, my first Bible. Woo! My first Bible. You guys have a Bible.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, okay. Mommy, look, I have.
You have one.
Car.
You have car.
Yeah.
Yay.
Mama, I will show you to do.
This one is lunch.
Mommy, look at.
See now. To pack food. Please, all this stuff, fried plantain. You want to fry plantain, put for Kaima with egg sauce. Cham.
Mama,
So easy. Yeah, you have toothbrush.
Yes. Mommy.
Wow, see, sweet lollipop. Everything is here. Hey, mommy, girl.
Mama, have bubbles.
You have bubbles.
Yes.
Hey, you guys. This one is, I think, pen, book. It's a lot too. This one is, no, it's ice cream eraser. See, Kaima has this one too.
Mama, have ice cream.
Ice cream eraser.
Yeah.
And then this.
Mommy, it's a Bible.
Yeah. Wow, Kaito, you have my first Bible too. And then this one as well. You guys, my children are balling, oh. Just from planning events to all this enjoyment. Wow. Ooh, see Kaito's own plate and cup. Wow. Oh, wow.
Look at.
Wow. Kaito is showing you guys everything.
Look at.
Wow, this is so pretty.
I have eraser.
You have eraser, you have pencil. But anyways, guys, my children were just unboxing their party pack with them as well.
Mommy,
You guys, yeah. Bumsy is booked and busy this December. I don't even know how I have time for you guys, just to show that I love you guys. I am actually booked and busy this December. Like, I am so booked and busy. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the cooking, the styling of an event, and then, you know, other things that were in this vlog. See Kaito's own googles. This party pack is loaded, and I have more parties that are coming, and my children are definitely tagging along. They will not tell me that they're not enjoying their childhood. Don't open it, Kaito. You can't wear it now. Don't open it. I'll see you guys later.